Many things can increase in rebuilding costs over time. Some factors include labor and material costs, housing demand, change to zonic requirements, and building costs and inflation. A replacement cost policy helps provide a cushion against these increases, especially the longer you remain in your home. The 25,000 you carry your bed today may not come close to the cost of rebuilding in 10 years. The same logic applies to furniture, appliances, clothing, and other possessions. Inflation ensures that more things cost more over time. A replacement cost policy helps ensure that your homeowner's insurance will keep up with those increases. When does homeowners insurance pay out? Depending on the complexity of your claim and the amount of damage. It can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few years before a claim is settled and you are paid. Assuming you properly file a claim with whatever documentation is required by your insurer and you are satisfied with the settlement. You might see reimbursement for something like wind damage to your roof within weeks. A complicated claim can take longer. In the event of a catastrophe, most insurers pay within a few weeks to 6 months, said Janet Ruiz of the three. Rebuilding a home after a total loss, however, can take 18 to 24 months, according to consumer advocate group United Policyholders. Any dispute between you and the insurer will lengthen the claim, whether that's caused by the insurer denying the claim or you feel their initial offer is insufficient. If more than one insurer is involved, that could also lengthen the process. A hurricane might cause both wind and water damage, which are often insured by different companies. Most standard homeowners insurance policies provide coverage for wind damage but don't include flood insurance, which can be purchased as an add on from most major insurance companies. It can be difficult to tell what damage was caused by wind or water following a storm, and that can lead to a dispute between insurers, which can therefore cause delays in payment. You can't do much to avoid certain types of delays, but there are things you can do to make sure the process goes as smoothly as possible. Make sure you ask your agent or insurer questions about anything you don't understand as you file your claim. And make sure you understand and provide everything that is required. Include thorough documentation to back up your claim, including photos or videos of damage along with an inventory and estimated value of lost items. Include copies of any police and fire reports, the names of people you have spoken with, and relevant notes from conversations. Make sure you file the claim within the time required by your insurer and your state and keep copies of everything of your records. Learn more for more information on homeowners insurance